Hello friends, hope you are well. I am Azgor Hossain again with a new video from Senior Tech Teacher. Today we brought you a new tutorial on content writing. We hope you enjoy it. I am already making my unique style with content writing. Here are 5 steps for content writing. First step is determine the forces of the website content. Second step, research the audience. Third step, research competing website. Fourth step, plan how the content fits together on your website. Step 5, write the content for each phase. Today we are going to discuss what is content writing is, how to write it, and what it does. We are going to make this video for people from outside Bangladesh and in Bangladesh who are comfortable in English. So we can go our main topics. Content writing is the process of planning, writing and editing web content. Typically for digital marketing purposes, it can include writing blog posts and article, script for videos and podcasts, as well as content for specific platform such as Twistone on Twitter or text posts on Reddit. Step 1. Determine the purpose of the web content. You cannot write good content for a website without knowing why you are writing it. Is the website content selling a product? It's meant to attract new client? Is it building topic to support advertisement and sponsorship? Once you know that the main goal of the website content you are producing, you will be better positioned to write copy that will help achieve that goal. But before you even write one word of content for a website, know who you are write it for. Step 2. Research the audience. Remember, you are writing for human readers. People, what you say and how you say it will depend on such these things as their level of experience. If you expect to speaking to expert in your website copy, you are going to use different language than if you are speak to novice. What you are really want to know, that is core to write effective website content, because if you can answer their question better than anyone else, you have a greater chance of winning than as a customer. How they will get to the phase. Understanding where your users come from or what they may be searching for when they land on your page can guide how you position your content. Their interests. Knowing what your audience is interested in beyond the landing page you are create can help you know what elements to add to your website content to keep them engaged on your site. How to do recharge your audience? There are several ways to recharge your website audience. Alexa offers some use of tools for this. For example, audience overlaps show your other sites your visitors are likely to visit. The audience interests also show you topics they are likely to interest in. Otherwise, to recharge your audience include asking them questions directly, viewing action they take on your website in your analyze program, and looking common threads among your best customer. Recharging your competitors will also be important in sense. Step 3. Research competing website. Competitor website. Good website content writing depends on a well-rounded view of the competitive landscapes. Comparing your site to your competitors' sites. Important insights that will affect the website copy to write. Why? Your visitors are visiting your competitor website too. Learn what they are reading there. You can take stints or offer something different better on your website. It will help you identify industry trends in the website content. You will be able to spot strategic shift or new tactic competitor are trying early on, rather than being the last to know. Okay, you can use competitor data on your performance, get a sense of the traffic, backlinks, and keyword your competitor site rank for. You can set realistic goal to measure against each month. It can inspire new content topics to write about. You will be thankful to have a source of idea at your fingertips. This exploratory phase helps you evaluate your opposition before you write. How do you reach us competitors? Alexa offers some helpful competitor analysis tool to find out a good list of competitors. Use audience overlap tools. Once you have that list, you analyze competitor website visitor array. I am already added a picture everyone can see here. For example, you can find out keyword that your competitor are getting traffic from for using the competitor keyword matrix. With the information, you can spot how competitors use industry in this terms of SEO. This helps you determine your approach to your website content. Spend some time visiting each of top competitor site to absorb their style, topics, and how they are differ. One note, very important note, please note it. At this stage, you are looking at competing website as a whole. Later, you will also look at individual pages that compete against the website page you are writing. Now that you are researched your audience and your competitors' content, you will have an idea of what you want to say. Step 4. Plan how the content fits together on your website. Before you step into web content writing, make sure that's a plan for how all the phases work together. If you are overhauling a website or creating a new one, you might find it useful to create a wireframe. This can be as simple as sticking out a list of pages and the topic they are covered. Think through what phase you will need to the forces of each, how people will navigate to each phase. Website content comes in a variety of space and size, from long form and content blogs, post to sidebar, bloggers, and product description. Copy is prepared and displayed is varied ways to serve a different purpose. So we are going to make two tutorial with this content writing, because if we're going to teach everything within a content, you cannot code every single task. So that's why I will make two part for everyone, and you can code everything very fastly. So it's important for everyone. Thank you so much. Support me and like, comment, subscribe my channel. If you have any question, you can knock me my comment section, my face section. I will give my Facebook face link. You can knock me here, and everything you can ask me. And also, if you see any fault in my video, you can send me message, because this is my first English tutorial. So that's why I think I have lots of fault, I have lots of mistake. So forgive me and pray for me. Thank you so much.